Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I've been making some progress on my basement bathroom. This video is going to be how I tiled in the niche for the shower. It's small 1-inch hexagon porcelain tiles. I've never tiled a shower before, and this video is just a quick overview of some of the techniques that I used in order to get this niche looking nice. Here on my floor, I mapped out the shower niche size with blue painter's tape, and I've got these bottom set ones that do go right here. They're removed right now. They're removed right now for the purposes of showing you how I'm doing this. But as you can see, this top line is sticking just over where the blue painter's tape is going to be. So this entire top row needs to be cut. And as you can see over here, I have started nipping these, and I'm using, believe it or not, a nipper on porcelain. So these are 1-inch hexagon porcelain tiles that are going to go into the shower niche, and the nippers work amazingly well. So let me show you what I'm doing, and I'll show you the finished product here too. I'm getting about half of the tile nipper over each of the sides of this tile, so that way half of the nipper is on the tile and half of the nipper is hanging off the side. And I'm just lining it up with the line that I drew on there in pencil. It's very faint, but you can see it slightly. And I just get the nipper on there like this, and I get it so it's just kind of halfway on, and then I start to squeeze and it breaks perfectly, just like this. So you can see I've got about that much of the nipper on the tile. Just a little bit of pressure and it cuts. Now this is going to be covered up by a piece of tile anyway, but I do have a tile file. If you wanted to file that down to make it perfectly flat, you could do that as well, just would take some extra time. But this thing is cutting amazingly well. Very simple too. I'm not even putting that much pressure on it. Now we got a nice line here. Pretty straightforward. I want to finish clipping all the rest of these and I'll show you what it looks like at the end.